Hi mga ka-M3. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the voltmeter on our Mio i125. This is the voltmeter. It comes with the voltmeter itself, cable ties, and yung holder which you will install sa side mirror. We will be installing the voltmeter sa holder, and before you can do that, tatanggalin niyo muna yung nakakabit na holder na gagamitin if hindi pwede sa side mirror mo. First things first, tatanggalin natin yung panel sa harap. Ang gagawin natin is tanggalin yung 4 screws, yung dalawa is sa ilalim ng levers, and then sa likod. And then hilahin nyo na lang para kasi parang nagsa-snap into place lang siya. So ito yung connections ng voltmeter. Yung red, mapupunta yon, kukonek natin sa positive. Yung puti, that will be our ground wire. Tatanggalin na natin yung side mirror. And before tightening the side mirror, lagay natin yung motor in our riding position. And alam nyo ba guys, merong butas yung M3 natin that's specially made para pasukan ng wire ng voltmeter. Amazing, right? As you can see the brown wire, I stripped part of it para makonect ko yung positive ng voltmeter. On the other side, yung puti na wire, inipit ko sa screw na nasa handlebar. Just secure the wires para hindi masyadong gumalaw when the engine vibrates. And bago natin ibalik yung front cover na yellow, test muna.